day, Sir, Madam. I'm Lenlen Wandagan, 27 years old, married. I have one son. I am undergraduate of Bachelor of Science and Commerce. I work in Malaysia as a domestic helper for 3 years and 7 months. My duties and responsibilities include cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, and take care of children.
Good evening, Ms. Lenlen. How are you?
I'm good, Sir, Madam.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, Madam, for being honest, patient, kind, and hardworking.
Okay, so can you tell us how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, I will treat them as my own children. I give them proper food and medicine as they needed.
Okay, so what if you commit a mistakes and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will apologize, and I promise not to do the same mistake again.
Okay, Ms. Lenlen, do you have a message to your employer?
Sir, Madam, please don't harm me because I need this job to earn money for the future of my son and my family. I promise to do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. And I promise to finish my contract.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Lenlen. Hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.